How can I transfer my USDT from OKX to Binance? You can transfer USDT from OKX to Binance by following these steps. Step 1. Log into both OKX and Binance. Make sure you have accounts on both OKX and Binance and access to their wallets. Step 2. Get your Binance deposit address. On Binance, go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot or Funding Wallet. Click Deposit and select USDT as the cryptocurrency. Choose the network you want to use, e.g. TRC20, ERC20, BFP20. Match the network with OKX to avoid losing your funds. Copy the deposit address. Step 3. Initiate the transfer from OKX. On OKX, go to Assets, Withdraw and select USDT. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Select the network that matches the one chosen on Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review the network fees. OKX will show you the fee. Confirm the transfer. Complete any required security verification, e.g. 2FA email or SMS codes. Click Withdraw to initiate the transfer. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. The transfer time will depend on the chosen network. TRC20 is fast and has low fees. ERC20 may take longer and has higher fees. BFP20 is usually quicker and cost-effective for Binance Smart Chain. Check the transaction status in your withdrawal history on OKX and the deposit history on Binance. Tips: always double-check the deposit address and network to avoid losing funds. Confirm the minimum deposit amount required by Binance for USDT. Let me know if you have more questions.